Hello, I am Rishabh Soni and I have built an end-to-end e-commerce performance dashboard using Power BI, in which I analyzed different performance measures of an e-commerce platform. In this, I have built some KPIs. So let's see them one by one. The first is the shows the total revenue, which is 11.4 million rupees. The second one shows the average unit price of the order, which is 10.4 thousand. Then the total number of orders is 350, and the last KPI shows that around 12% of the orders are returned. Below that, there's a area chart that shows the age demographic as per the number of orders. Then there's a stacked bar that shows the revenue as per the payment method. In this, the card payment is the most commonly used method, with around 22% customers opting for the card. Below that, there's a referral source pie chart which shows that around 22.3% of the customers came to the store using email. Then we can see that the same day shipping mode tops the list, but still all the three modes are almost a equal share. Below that, there's a revenue by month bar graph, which also shows the subcategories of the products, and this all this project is responsive connected. And at the end, there's a map that shows the revenue as per the cities. So this was my Power BI project. Thank you.